You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Take a ride in the 2022 A5. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, brake assist, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.